Jeez.
Wake up, really gonna rise in the sun.
Big trouble.
Step 2.
Big trouble.
Step 3. You can grow hard about what you want to be. Step
This
4.
trailer just like
Everybody just do your
spontaneously
thing.
combusted earlier. Alright, so hopefully this does not turn into a really bad idea. It is currently 28 degrees and it is nice, cold, frosty. Pretty blue skies. This cold start should be epic. Yes. Okay. Last time it was this cold, my key didn't even want to go in the hole. Ooh, there's some serious frost on my on-off switch. Okay, now let's get another good look. Furio here. Holy moly. You know, I've ridden in some pretty cold weather. But, this actually looks pretty freaking cool. Alright, let's see how much heat we got in this thing. Oh yeah, we got some good heat. Look at that. We got a good old layer. We got all frozen stuff. Look at my gloves. Look at my gloves. Look at that. Woo. Everything's covered. Thankfully though, the exhaust is kind of right up next to the tire, pointed at it, warm it up a little bit. This is about to be quite epic and terrifying. I'm actually more worried about the front tire. Oh yeah. Alright, let's take it easy. Take it easy going through here. We got traction control. We're gonna go ahead and turn that up. Boom. Here we go. Let me get my seat nice and scrubbed in. just cracking the throttle right there. Right, setting off the traction control. So there was a pretty gnarly fire over here this morning where one or two trailers, I know for a fact at least one, but potentially two trailers over there. You can kind of see it. We're going to try to go over there and take a look at the damage. Now when it is really slippery out, it is important to use your rear brake more than your front, like considerably more. Now we gotta be kind of careful over here because the fire department was over here. Obviously there was a fire, and everywhere where they were spraying there's a fair amount of ice. You can see it from here, so we're gonna try to avoid that. But let's take a gander at what happened. Oh yeah, look at all that ice right there. Holy moly, I knew it. What the hell is that? So I thought it was a piece of equipment that kind of went up, and this trailer just like spontaneously combusted earlier, and so they drug it on out somehow. But I think they had to cut a hole in the side of the trailer. Take it easy. Oh, yeah, so that's everything they had to pull out of it over there. Let's take it easy, rolling on through here. That's straight ice right there. Oh yeah, they did. So they poked holes in it, freaking just doused it with water to put it out. I wonder what set it off. But how cold everything is? Like, wow. Now let's try not to die getting on out of here. My feet are sliding on the ground. I think I found a good spot right here to get on out of here. I don't care. Any of y'all call me pussy for freaking being a little nervous. Going through that ice. You can see that it's ice. Put your feet down on the ground, your feet have no traction. I am on Pirelli Super Corsa SP tires. We're gonna take it easy. Woohoo! I can feel that front tire dancing around. Once I get out to the main road, it'll be a lot easier. These back roads back here, the ground temperature is probably colder than the air temperature. Let's check it. Check it. Okay, good. We got some good traction on the front tire. Where's all these cars coming from through that little duct over there? I forgot to clean my mirrors. I know all you super riders out there. You don't need mirrors, just turn your head. Let's go. Oh man, my visor's freezing over. That's not good. I was about ready to catch myself a bird. Okay, well, at this temperature, yes, my hands are starting to feel a little cold. Now, earlier this week, I was coming up this hill, and there was a straight string of ice over on the shoulder. Like right up over here. That's all ice right there. Like, whoa. So make sure we don't hit any of that. Oh boy, what the hell? Oh no. Oh, water main went. Oh no. Holy shit. Water main bursted. Oh boy. Okay. Let's keep our feet down just in case we hit some straight ice. Oh jeez. Big trouble. Big trouble. Winter Funland on a Superbike. Just gonna have a happy winter wonderland. A happy winter wonderland. It is bad when I can see the reflection of the headlights, of course, coming at me off of this road surface in front of me. Okay. Whew. Well, I survived. The bike is still in one piece. I do believe the tires are probably still frozen. Well, I want to thank my supporters here and my guardian angels from Ducati and Pirelli. All right, I want to thank you, and my gear, Alpine Stars, all Alpine Stars, except for my boots, which are Stormhawks. All right, thank you. Oh, and my eBay exhaust. I thank my eBay exhaust for pre-warming my rear tire. Thank you. All right, we're back to serious talk here. If you enjoyed my chaotic ride home, comment down below some of the coldest weather or just most horrible conditions that you've ever ridden in. And if you aren't already a subscriber, which is probably most of you, we would really appreciate it if you'd subscribe. Check out the description if you want to save some money on some products. Go ahead and check that out. Cardo 10% off. ASV, use our code, get a gift, and we'll catch you on the next ride.